How to find Citibank account number and routing number. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch a preferred browser and search for citi.com. To begin with, you can enter your user ID and a password to sign on into your Citibank account. Select the option of Remember User ID in case of forgotten credential. You can tap on Forgot User ID or Password if you have forgotten any of the credential. After you are logged into your account, you have to navigate to the Account Details option, in which you can easily check out your account number and the routing number. You can also find this number in your bank statement. You can check it out. If you already have a Citi app, that is a Citi mobile banking app, just navigate to Account Details, then check out your account number and routing number. If you cannot navigate through this, you can open up your physical check. Yes, you can just grab your physical check and right at the bottom, you will see some of the numbers. The first 9 digit is your routing number. Following it, it's your account number, and the last is your check number. Isn't it simple? And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.